Good afternoon. My name is Uriel Otalvaro. Presentacion, Uriel English. I am 44 years old. I work in Pailita Cesar. Student de agronomy program de la UNAP. I am work Agropaisa SAS, Comercio Technical. Presentación. Last November, I want to be a licensio. I was agreed when my sister and I died, have to pay much because I visit my family. So I started therefore a cheap price. I visit different places like the Maloca Park and the streets of the Amazonas River. The most impressive place was the last cup from the park. I stayed via Licencio 3 weeks and I came back on January. The water in Villavicencio, is very variable. In the morning it is usually cool, but it becomes sunny at noon. Recommendation. It is recommendation that people wear warm clothes in the morning and light clothes at noon in Villavicencio. What you should do? People should go to the Maloca Park. People should see beautiful mountain, scenery and greenery. People should be in time for the Joropo International Dancing Tournament. What you should do? People should go to the nice lake house with dangerous. People should guide food the animal in the park of Otalvaro. People should go through Garba yo visit the river Caño Cristales. In the question, thank you.